Hello, saw your question on discussion board. This comes from your text, page 341. Symmetry as Cartesian equations helpful to determine if symmetry in a graph of polar equation. If the graph has symmetry, then it could save us for plotting points. So here's the three tests for symmetry about polar x-axis, y-axis, line about the symmetry about the line theta equal pi has the y-axis, symmetry about the pole. But you should pay attention to this bottom 1, 2, and 3. If the polar equation has two of them, then it's going to have the third type. Even if the polar equation fails a test for a given symmetry, its graph may have that symmetry nonetheless. So if it passes, we know it has that symmetry. If it fails, it still may have the symmetry. We just have to graph it and see. So you seem to be commenting about number 2 here. So it can fail one of these tests and still have that symmetry. If we know it has symmetry, then it just saves us time graphing. Hope this helps.